Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious strawberry lemonade. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh strawberries, about 1 pound, and 4 large lemons for their bright, zesty juice. We'll also use sugar and water to create a balanced sweetness. Start by making a simple syrup. Just combine 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of hot water until the sugar fully dissolves. This ensures a smooth, sweet base for our refreshing drink. Now that our simple syrup is ready, let's prepare the star of the show, the strawberries. Begin by thoroughly washing and hulling about 1 pound of fresh strawberries, removing all the green tops. Once clean, place them into a blender and process until you achieve a smooth, consistent puree. For an extra silky lemonade, you can strain this puree through a fine mesh sieve to remove any small seeds or pulp. This step ensures a delightful, smooth texture in every sip. With our strawberry puree and simple syrup ready, it's time to bring everything together. In a large pitcher, combine the strawberry puree, the freshly squeezed juice from your 4 lemons, and the cooled simple syrup. Next, add about 4 cups of cold water to reach your preferred consistency and strength. Give it a good stir, then taste and adjust the sweetness or tartness if necessary. Once perfect, refrigerate your lemonade for at least 1 hour to chill thoroughly. Your homemade strawberry lemonade is now ready to be enjoyed. Pour the chilled lemonade over plenty of ice in your favorite glasses. For an extra touch of elegance and flavor, garnish each glass with fresh mint leaves or a few extra slices of strawberry. This vibrant, sweet, and tangy drink is perfect for any occasion, offering a refreshing escape. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Tree's black ice for your car, along with other great deals. Cheers to your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.